Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Sally, and I was given exercise 7-8 to do. And the first thing I usually do is to scrolling down and looking to the text. So I'll pull the text, and this is additional information that WileyPlus gives us. This is really useful for me. I was looking over it and it made it a lot more easier to try to do this problem. So we're gonna start, and we have this information of this company, and we should prepare a bank reconciliation of July. So it says Sheridan Company bank reconciliation, and we're gonna put the month right here. So it says July 31, 2017, and then we're gonna start. Now with that being said, we'll start. Okay, so we want to include cash balance per bank statement here, and we're gonna look up, and we see that the information that it's being given is 8,188. So we're gonna click here and put that number. In the next part, we're gonna add the deposit in transit here. So if we're reading number 4, it says deposits in transit July 31, 3,560. So then I usually don't use Excel, I use the calculator. So when you add that information, 8,188 to the 3,560, you get 11,748. Now for the next section, it's gonna be a less. So excess in the text, if you see right here, the less section, so says less of outstanding checks. You could use this as a reference. So you're gonna put less here, and then outstanding checks, and we're gonna see number 6 number, it says 705. So since this is a less, we're gonna subtract 705 minus 11,748. And before we do that, we will put adjusted cash balance per bank, and that's gonna be 11,043. Oh, I'm sorry, 43. Okay. So then we're gonna put cash balance per books here. And scroll up again, and in line 3 it says 8,324 we're gonna put the number here. And next, we're gonna add. And put here electronic funds transfer received. And in line 5 it says 2,876 collected for Sheridan Company in July with the bank through electronic funds transfer. The collection has not been recorded by Sheridan Company. So we have the number and we're gonna write that number. Since this is an add, we're gonna add that and it's gonna be 11,100. So okay, so this is gonna be a less, and here we're gonna choose bank service charge, and then in line 2 it says July bank service charge not recorded by the depositor 57. We're gonna write the number here, and in the final section in this bank reconciliation, we're going to put here adjust cash balance per book, and we're going to subtract 11,100 minus 57, and we'll get a total of 11,043. Okay, so we're gonna click this button to see. Hopefully we get this right. If not, we will check it again. Oop. Okay. So, here was 2,876. So for that reason, have to do a double check before. Okay. So, click again here. And now it's correct. I'm sorry for that, guys. So, the next section is, it's a really simple section. So it says here, journalize the adjusting entry at July 31 on the books of Sheridan Company. It says here the date, and then account titles and explanation, and then debit and credit. We have had information about debit and crediting assignments before. So we are gonna scroll up and see the information. Well, it says first here, to record an electronic funds transfer received by bank. So this is the key phrase. We're gonna look for electronic funds transfer. We're gonna scroll up now and see that information says 2,876. So now I'm gonna write it. Well, You're gonna put your cash first, and then we will debit the amount of 2,876. And then here we're gonna write account receivable, and we will credit that as the same amount. So we got that part. Now for this section, it's going to be record bank service charge, and if we look up, it says 57 here. So first we're gonna write bank charges expense, and we want to debit that, so it's gonna be 57. And then right here cash, and we will credit that. It's gonna be 57 right here. And then we'll go ahead and double check our work. So everything is fine now. I will submit it. Great. So this was exercise 7-8. I hope this can help you, and thanks for watching.